Hi guys, welcome to Unlock SAP. Today we are going to discuss about how to get a output of a simple program and what are the use cases we are taking to get the program, guys. Now if you observe here, I created a very simple program about my select option. I have declared for a EKKO EBLN field. We created some structure from EKKO fields and created a work area and internal table. We have provided some set of inputs and we are filling this internal table ITEKKO and we are displaying that one, guys. That means all steps are set. We don't need to write any other extra code, guys. Now first we need to activate our program. Once the program is activated, we have to click on this processing and we have to provide some input. Observe here, we are not getting the output. On when the case, guys, this way you are not getting any output, we have to do two steps first. First of all, whatever entries you are providing, that entries are available in the SC11, the EKKO table or not, we have to check. That means we have to check the table entries first. Second one, we have to check it in a debugging that select functionality. Why? Because select statement only you are writing to get the data from database table to internal table. First, we have to check these options, guys. Now, first of all, what I am doing, I am going to take this table entries. Table entries means I am going to take these values 3004 to 3005. Now, if I deleted this one, now if I go in to SC11, there I have a table called EKKO table. Click on a display. I need to click on the contents. Give some value. Okay, I should copy this value. Copy. And here I am giving paste. And I have to give a 3004 to 15, guys. I have provided the value. Execute now. What we have got it? We have got this respective entries, guys. That means in SC11, we have the entries. First condition is check now. Second condition, we are going to finalize with help of a debugging test. How can I do that one? Okay, first of all, we should have idea about where you have to set a breakpoint, guys. Let's example, I am traveling from Hyderabad to Pune. Somewhere I struck in middle. Then from that position, I should have an idea how to travel to Pune, guys. That's the same way. When you are doing a debugging, the breakpoint play crucial role. Like where you have to set. We will not check the entire code, guys. We are not getting the output. That means first we have to check it. The select functionality that is giving you a records or not from table to internal table. That's why first I am going to set a breakpoint here and process. Observe here, guys. Okay, I am doing this one select statement. Remember the one point, guys. Select statement, whatever you are doing, you are starting every execution from here. That means you are filling your internal tables or work areas, and next you want to display that one. Now, in this case, if you check it here, first what I am doing, I need to click on a F5 that this ITEKKO, are we getting the records or not? Observe here, once I click on a ITEKKO, there you don't have a records. When I click on F5, what happened? Now we receive the records. That means we are getting the data. But why you are not getting any type of a output? Observe here. Here I need to, again I am just filling this one EKKO to work area, guys. In this work area also, we are giving a loop functionality. You are getting the reports. And click on this one. execute. We are not, again, I'm going to the debugging, guys. What happened in this case? When you are starting a execution, guys, your event name should be start of selection, guys. But where you are under now? You are under the initialization event. Yes or not? That means whatever you have written this code, entire code is come under as a initialization. Initialization means why we required, guys, to set a default values. Yes or not? And that is only it is taking actually. That's why you are filling the values in ITEKKO and displaying that one also. It is not happen to get the output. That means what you need to do here, before we start a execution, we have to write a start of selection event, guys. That means whenever you have written this such event, we don't have any keyword to close the event. When you added one more event, guys, that is indicating that one, please close this one now actually. Okay, that's why when you are working with any event or not also, you have to write down the start of selection event, guys. That's why what I am adding, I need to go to my program again. Observe here. Here what I am adding? I am adding a one event called as a start of selection event, guys. Observe here, guys. Start of selection means what happened? I am expecting to execute now. Activate a program. First, we will check it why we are getting the output or not. Observe here, you got the output or not? Now, let's take example, check the debugging, guys. Process. If I given this one, observe here, what is the event name you got? It start of selection, guys. Yes or not? Let's take example. We don't want to work with any event. Just to comment these two events, guys. What I am doing, I'm just commenting that one. Comment two events. When you are commenting that one, we are not giving any sort of a event for a program. And if I execute now also, just I have given already EBLN values, right? That it will take, guys. Observe here. After I given the input, I am at the select statement only, but defaultly it has taken this one, start of selection event. That means if you are giving any type of a event, guys, initialization event you have provided there. That's why what happened? It is taking entire code under the initialization event. That's why when you are writing any type of a events or anything, please maintain this one, start of selection keyword, guys. I hope you got that points, guys. Please comment it if you have any queries. We'll discuss on that one. Thank you. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel, guys. Have a good day.